Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make up to 50,000 naira every week with this platform called my dreads. So as you can see, this is the platform. If you have Telegram, if you have not made money on Telegram before, this platform is very much interested and very much well for you to make at least 50,000 naira every week by doing simple tasks. So guys, let's continue. So this is the platform. Let's open it. As we open it like this is how the interface look like. As you can see here, you see this my dread 1464 dread. If you come to this withdrawal, those in Nigeria withdraw in naira, you see that's 66 naira. You can withdraw in USDT 0.18 USDT. You can withdraw in USDT, you can withdraw in naira. If you don't have naira, you can use. Yes, so you see here the minimum withdrawal is 5. Yes, 5,000 naira is 20 US, sorry, 20 dread. You can refer people if you don't do any tax. If you refer people, you can withdraw the money. But what I mean is that you can accumulate by doing the tax and withdraw, or you can invite people and withdraw. So for example, if you do the tax and reach 20 direct 20,000 direct, if you refer 50 people, that's another 20,000 direct. So you see that's 10,000. For example, you understand, ba? That's how it works. You see 40,000 direct is 10,000. You see 40,000 direct is 160,000 direct. 40,000 naira is 160 direct. So it depends on how you accumulate and how you go on it. So let's go back to our main menu. So as you can see, this place that is showing direct, you see this attempt left 49. We are going to be tapping on it. You see when you are tapping on it, the direct working by giving dread. So if you are tapping on it, please remove, continue tap, you tap it, you come and tap it there. So I'll show you the remaining way. So you can see, make sure you are tapping on it every day. Remove it, tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep till we reach until reach 0. Tapping, when you tapping it, there will be 50 dread free for free day. That's keep as it's moving up. So guys, you remember, so you see this watch and end. You can watch and or join my app channel to get update anytime is possible. So if you join it, they are going to give you 10 dread. This is up dread request for on it, all country number, add up way. See this will be there. They give you before you exit as so to watch. You see this, let's click on watch, and so and right, you can see it's just where to come going by itself. As you can see, let's watch. You see how it is to just be going, just have fun. So it's just keep watching, keep 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 watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. So you can see that's all reward. To your menu, you will see the reward list. So this job, click on, you see we have 150 1550. Click on join and bar, as you can see, and they show you the channel to join. Just wait a little bit, have patience. You see my dread, then once you click on load a little bit, just be patient. As you can see, new update confusion. As you can see, this is the new one. The tags, the channel I joined. Then I will now go back to my thread. Come back to thread. So what will be granted later. So as you come here and just come to this end, as you can see, this you can all tags listed on this page are sponsored and provided by advertiser. So you can end these tags crypto. Sorry, you can click on end one tags. When you click on end, it will bring it to another interface. Then claim. As you can see here, just wait a moment. Please wait a moment. You will see how it works. Just make sure you stay to this video from beginning to the end. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. The registration link will be in the description of the video, and my Telegram community link will be in the description of the video. My WhatsApp community link will be in the description of the video. Mind you guys, if you want to chat me, don't chat me on WhatsApp, chat me on Telegram. I have a group community group on Telegram that you can chat me. So if you continue to chat, when you just come here like this, for example, just check. So hello BJ Exchange, I go like do trade with you. Save my contact. If you are doing trading, you see, just send them text. In due time they will reply you ASAP. So let's go back to our Telegram. So guys, I'll be dropping the link. As I say, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, my name is Legit Update. I bring you guys legit update on how you make money online. So guys, just check to this video from beginning to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part, because if you skip any part, you may miss the important part. Yeah, as I said earlier, you see how many people are on this 2.2k subscribers. You know that the platform is doing really well. Any platform you see subscribers like this, that means the platform is doing really well. Yeah, as you can see. So let's come to the platform. My dreads. Sorry, when I went back, the things refreshed by it. So we are going to talk all my dread. If you have Telegram, made Telegram before this, rush like what, go at making your own money. You get it? Okay. We have already sent them text, so we are come to this invite. Okay, sorry. So guys, as we are saying earlier, if you register, make sure you don't be stingy. Share it to your friends and family so that all of them will be making money together. See guys, if you take this